if you want to. I'm going to be showing a quick demo on how we can enhance and bring out the texture and sharpness of a specific area in our photo. So first what we want to do is right click or control click and make a duplicate copy of the photo you want to edit. On the copied photo, we're going to right click again or control click and then press on open in camera raw. So originally we could do, adding texture to the entire photo, but this one is all about precision focusing, and so we want to bring out texture and sharpness on a specific area. So I'm just going to bring that back to 0. So what we want to use is that adjustment brush. With the adjustment brush, you can adjust the size of it, you can adjust the feather of it, basically like what kind of smooth transition do you want from solid to kind of fade. And so you can adjust the size and brush. Once you've done that, what you want to do is scroll down. And if you have any settings, you can reset it by pressing that button. It'll kind of reset everything back to 0. So what I'm going to do is increase the texture. And if I go down a little further, I'm going to increase the sharpness. And so what we're going to do is paint it. I'm going to zoom in pressing Command plus on this specific area. So whatever is the most important part of your photo, I'm going to be grading for, what's the main part that needs to be sharpened and focused. So how we bring out the sharpness is by adding some sharpness, but also adding a little texture will help bring out different detail too. So if I zoom in and press the P to preview, you can see how it's bringing out texture. So I can increase that a little bit more if I want to. I can increase the sharpness and then press P again, so this is the before and after. So again, I'm basically giving a very specific area, bringing out the most important part with that. Once I'm done, I'm just going to click the open button. I'm going to open it into Photoshop, and then the last thing I need to do is go File, Save As. Because it's a copy, I'm going to leave the name, make sure it's in the right folder, make sure it says JPEG in the format, hit Save and Replace. And then you might need to change the quality from 8 to 12, and then hit OK. So then, if I close my window and go back to Bridge, here's my before and after. So it's subtle, but I did sharpen and bring out the texture on my bug right there, which is the most important part in that photo. And so that's what I'm going to be grading for this project. All right, thanks guys.